Hello friends, do you have fine lines around the eyes or some worry lines over the forehead? Do you have that kind of angry look like this? Or signs of aging have started troubling you? Do you need to spend a lot of time in front of mirror hiding these lines? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important aspect of anti-aging treatment, which is botulinum toxin. And in this video, we are going to talk about the usage of botulinum toxin, the indications of botulinum toxin, the probable side effects or problems, and how it can transform your looks. So do watch this video till end. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press bell icon to receive all the notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So I'm your friend Dr. Shail Gupta. I'm a practicing dermatologist with almost 2 decades of experience. So what is botulinum toxin? Botulinum toxin is a protein which relaxes the muscles. So before we talk about botulinum toxin, let's try to understand how does aging happen. Aging happens because of breakdown of connective tissue, elastin and collagen in our skin. Now with aging, there is sagging of skin, there is over contraction of certain muscles which can create lines. So dynamic wrinkles and static wrinkles, there are 2 different types of wrinkles which we see on our face. Dynamic wrinkles appear because of contraction of muscles. So botulinum toxin is a protein which actually relaxes these muscles and can ease out these lines. So it's very helpful. So botulinum toxin is a very safe treatment and it is in use for almost 40 years now in various indications. It is in extensive use for certain neurological indications like the commonest is migraine. It is used in cerebral palsy. It is used in cervical dystonia. It is used in ophthalmological conditions like strabismus, where you have squint in the eyes because of muscle overcontraction. It is also being used in blepharospasm, where you have overcontraction of eyelids. It releases the muscle and the contraction disappears. So it is safe to inject it in neurological indications as well as in the eyes. So on facial aesthetics, it is pretty safe. So you don't have to worry. Another indications besides facial aesthetics in skin is hyperhidrosis. We use it in patients who have palmar hyperhidrosis, plantar hyperhidrosis, or very notorious axillary hyperhidrosis. No other treatment gives you the results which botulinum toxin can. Now, what are the indications on face where we use botulinum toxin? First indication is forehead lines, which develop because of contraction of frontalis muscle. Now, these muscles contraction give you very worried kind of look. Then the angry look is because of contraction of procerus muscle, and sometimes you are not angry, you are in static expressions, but people might find that you are very short-tempered. Maybe your face is telling them that story. So this can be cured. Then there are crow's feet around the eyes, which are because of contraction of orbicularis oculi muscle. They also make you look old. So then besides this, there are bunny lines here around the nose which don't look good. Then you have a dimpled chin. This is because of contraction of mentalis muscle. Now because of this, the chin appears short and your facial symmetry is kind of disturbed. Releasing this muscle with the help of botulinum toxin can really refresh your looks. Then there is another very important indication, which is gummy smile. Now sometimes when a person smiles, the gums appear, like gums also are visible. Now this doesn't look good, and just one injection of botulinum toxin can cure this. Then there is another indication where a person has masseter hypertrophy. The face is very broad, which is very troublesome in case of females. So this can be shaped up easily with botulinum toxin injections, and you get that nice oval shape, feminine shape. Besides this, botulinum toxin gives amazing glow on your forehead, the skin shines. In fact, there is another indication of it called mesobotox, where we use botulinum toxin in very diluted concentrations for this very purpose. I'm sure you must have seen some of the celebrities which you have been seeing for years now. They just don't age. So one of the reasons is botulinum toxin as well. Is this treatment painful? Botulinum toxin is an injectable procedure where we generally apply numbing cream before doing this, and the needles which are used for this are very fine, even finer than what you use for insulin syringes. So patient hardly feels any pain, it's very comfortable, and there is no downtime. You can straight away go to your office and go to your work without letting anybody know that you have got something done. When do you start seeing the effects of botulinum toxin? It is not instant, it takes around 5 to 6 days to show the benefits in most of the indications. And how long does the effect stay? The effect of botulinum toxin stays for around 5-6 months. Another important question which people ask us is what happens if I stop doing botulinum injections? Now, this is an interesting question. When you start taking care of yourself, actually when you start thinking about yourself, your looks, that is the time when you actually start living your life to the fullest. So anybody who has tasted this self-love probably won't like to look old again. But in case you don't want to continue with botulinum toxin, you can just stop it and the muscles will start acting again. But there is very important point which I would like to highlight here. Suppose if you get 2-3 sessions of botulinum toxin in, suppose say 2 years time, now the muscles which were so used to contracting, the contraction reduces and there is little atrophy of these muscles. So the wrinkles which were actually getting very deep with time, the progression of these wrinkles is reduced. So there is a preventive role of botulinum toxin. It prevents these lines to become deep because of overcontraction. So it helps you even if you stop it. So are there any side effects of botulinum toxin? Yes, it is a very safe procedure, but it should be done only by an experienced dermatologist who has some experience injecting this. I've seen a lot of times people get this treatment done at parlors, which is not safe. You must get it done by a dermatologist only. And you can have mild lid ptosis, you can have ptosis of the brows also sometimes. It happens if it is not injected properly or in a wrong muscle. That's all about botulinum toxin. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or you can call us at the given numbers. You can also mail us at the given mail ID. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The website is www.satyaskinlaser.com. Lot of anti-aging treatments and information is there on the website. Please check it out. And in case you want more such videos, you can subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. And I'm sure you liked the video, and please don't forget to press the like button and stay happy, stay young, love yourself, stay blessed.